Hello inflatable fans, I hope you're all well. I've been out for a paddle today with Mr. Ruffles and the machine. And the machine has got an Itiwit Pr500 Packraft. Now I've just taken this out for a quick paddle and I like it, it's really nice. But I thought I'd show you some of the features and benefits of it before I show you the paddle footage. This is the front end. As you can see, it's got quite a snub nose, but it is raised a bit out of the water so that it can ride waves a bit easier. Now, what makes this Packraft particularly special is, you see all these carry handles here and stuff, and this bit here, this is so that it's easier to put a bike on it for bike rafting. It's really nicely thought out. TPU, top, bottom, and then there's a TPU floor, and then you've got this inflatable seat in here, and this is your backrest. Now what works really well with this is you've got zip here. This is an aqua seal zip because you can actually store gear in the tubes. What a great idea, eh? So you can actually use that as for storage if you're going camping, that kind of thing. Lots of places to tie things and lash things to, or to help you carry it. Boston valve inflates to 1 psi. And then you've got thigh straps as well. And the reason these aren't available in the UK, these particular Packrafts, is Decathlon won't sell them because they won't put lockable carabiners on. This is what it actually comes with. Bit ridiculous if you ask me. There are some tie-out points in the bottom of the boat as well, and then underneath here there's a little bit of cargo and some bungee so that you could actually put some stuff underneath there if you wanted and keep it dry. We'll have a quick look underneath, although there won't be an awful lot to see. There you go, you've got a flat hull. Stable as hell, flat hull. Great little boat. How much do they weigh, Raph? About 3 kilos?
Everything in its bag, everything, 3.8 kilograms.
3.8 kilos, light as a feather. Really enjoyed that. I'll show you the footage of me going out for a paddle in it now. So this is the PR500. Just gonna bong the camera on it and take it for a little whiz, little bez. Right, I've got the camera stuck on the front. What I've noticed about this in comparison to my Packraft is I am sat a bit higher, and I think that's because it's got quite a sizable inflatable cushion. Tell you what, it does paddle nice. I can see why Raph likes it. It's quite narrow in the knee bit here. You do feel like you've got quite a bit of control, and there are thigh straps that come with it if you're doing a bit of white watery stuff. One of the big advantages to this is it has got a big area at the front for bike rafting. Sorry there's a bit of traffic noise in the background. That can't be helped, it's just our location. So let's go upriver a little bit and just get a feel for what it's like. Turns on a sixpence, as you can probably tell. Yeah, this is actually quite nice. Now it doesn't have a beam floor, so you are sat with your feet actually on the water. Let's just do a turn. Look at that. Yeah, it turns nice as that. Yeah, this is alright. It's lightweight, easy to paddle, and a bit of fun. You might be able to tell, possibly not from this angle, but the nose there, it is a little bit out of the water. So it does act as a bit of a bow breaker if you're sort of like ploughing through waves and stuff. But it feels great on the water. It feels nice and stable. It certainly doesn't feel like it's going to go anywhere, you know, in terms of going over. No, it's good. I think the thing that's more noticeable for me is, like I mentioned a minute ago, about how narrow my knees feel together, how close my legs feel together, because it is narrower than mine. And I do feel like I'm sat in here snug. Maybe that's just my fat backside. It might be the case. But it's alright. Yeah, I like this. I've been after one of these for a while actually, so I can do a few bike rafting trips, because I think it's better suited for bike rafting than the Aquaglide that I've got, the Expedition 85. But these aren't available in the UK. So Raf had to go, well, what he didn't have to go, but he went to Prague. And while he was in Prague, he bought his there. Yeah, you can't even get these imported because of some ridiculous thing to do with the carabiners, because they are open carabiners on the locks, and Decathlon are saying that's a health and safety issue because they should have lockable carabiners so that they can't get caught on things. You can easily replace them, can't you? It's not a big issue. So anyway, I like this. It's do you know what, it bloody well is comfortable, you know, when you want to lay down in a boat and just relax, because the back of the boat is the backrest, so you don't have any straps or anything to deal with in terms of sort of like just wanting to kind of lay out. Yeah, that's really nice. Inflates to 1 psi. I think I've covered all the bases with this. So if you want to go to Prague and get one, well, that's what you're going to have to do. Or go into Europe at some point. You know what to do if you like what I'm doing on this channel, and if you like these quick reviews, let me know in the comments. Thank you so much for watching. Cheerio. This is nice. I can see why you like it. Yeah, this is nice.